Hi, good evening everyone. I am Love Dance. I'm going to talk about today how to practice English in a busy day. First of all, busy day. Do not make excuses that I am a very busy. But still, if you are busy and think that I will not practice English today, so I will talk about on that. So, like when we used to study in school life or college life, just we used to do bunk. Like, okay, I am very busy, so I will not go to college or school. But you are learning English. Do not do like that. Do not skip even one day. What you can do as you wake up from the bed, do not start first of all social media. If you actually start social media, then you do lots of wastage of time over there. So do not do. What you can do, just listen podcast of English or something English related, like English blog. You can watch my blog too. Learning English and you are making excuses. Do not do it. English does not want to you extra time. Just they want like practice your English with smartly. So like what else you can do apart from that? You can also do while working. You can think in English and you can practice yourself. That is a very smartness to show you that you are very keen to learn English. You can see that I am on road. I know that when I will go on my room, I will not have enough time to do practice. So that's why I started to make blog from here. You can look at that behind me. There are lots of vehicles, but still I am practicing because I know about it that if I practice, if I do not practice, if I skip, then it will be problem for me only. So do not make any kind of excuses to learn English. On busy day, just learn very small word. Do not focus that day on grammar. Just focus on vocabulary, word meaning. They help a lot when you speak English. It is like backbone of English. If you know very well about vocabulary and you are good with that. Use your smartphone smartly. Like you are watching my video on a smartphone. I hope so far. So you can convert all the thing into English language. And in a busy day before sleeping, just do revision yourself that what did you learn today in word meaning. So they will help out to you lots. If you remember before sleeping, then you never forget that thing. I hope you also used to do. And if you do not used to do, then start doing it. It will help a lot. As I told you, if you follow these type thing, then you can learn English even on busy day. I have noticed one thing, that you watch my video but you do not subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel, support me to make more video and practice English with you like that. Thank you so much watching my video. See you in next vlog. Good night. Bye. Enjoy your day, enjoy your night and learn English.